In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to stop Chrome from blocking downloads, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner and clicking on Settings. Now, you're going to click on Privacy and Security, and then you are going to click on Security. Now, as you can see, there are three different safe browsing options. To stop Chrome from blocking downloads, you're going to click on No Protection. As you can see, it does tell you to be safe because if you turn off safe browsing, it will not block any things that could potentially be viruses. But if you know something you're going to download and it's being blocked, you can click this and then turn it right off and just put on standard protection or enhanced. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.